Hello students, in this video session I shall show you how to work Python program in Pycharm IDE. So start the Pycharm. Pycharm IDE is starting. So initially you have to start a new project first time when you are starting. So let's say demo Python, and you can select the location. So in my case I have selected F colon. So here I have selected, okay, and then just create. Okay, then it would ask project can either be opened in a new window or replace the project in the existing window or to be attached to the ready open projects. So how you like to open the project? So let me say I want to start a new project, a new window. Now it has started. Default you would get yeah, main.py program editor open. Okay, it's already open. So in case here, okay, you can say print hello world, okay, and file save all. Then you can right click run. So you can see hello world, okay, and you can see terminal here. So here also you can type dir. You can see main.py. So Python main.py. So this is also another way to run the program. Now I want to create another program, Python program. Right click new Python file. Okay, give the name. Okay, for example, demo 1. Enter. Now you can see the demo 1 has been created. Okay, so demo 1 has been created. So you can type print. This is my demo 1 program. Okay, demo 1. File, save all, and you can type here dir. You can see the demo1.py is displayed. So Python demo1.py. So you can say this is my demo 1. Similarly, you can click the uh, demo1.py, right click, okay, then run. If you want, you can run the main program also. So this is the main program, right click, run main. So in this way, you can create any number of Python program. Now I'm just closing this. Again, I open the Pycharm, and you can see it is already demo. So here already these files are saved here. Now let me open the Pycharm. So now I want to open the project. So I have selected the folder. It is asking me whether this window or new window. I select new window. Now you can see these are another set of my programs which are in the folder f colon Python project. Now suppose I want to open the other folder, then I can say open. Um, I think it is Python demo of Python. This one. So it is asking, do you want to open in the same window or new window? I give new window, and you see that folder Python programs in that folders are opened. So in this way, you can uh, do the Python programs, and you can open different projects here. And that's all I want to say about this Python Pycharm editor.